All right. So let me see if I have questions for you. Let me go to my. So I've completed the installation, and that's what you all get. You see the window? What do you do from here? One more thing. I need this screen to cover everywhere. It's like there's one more thing we need to do. In those days, we call it to load drivers. We need to load the drivers to make the screen full and really complete the installation. To do that, yes, by the time we do that, you will notice that the screen will be full. Right now, it's not full. Okay, so what do we do? What we do is insert guest additions. Just click that, and then you come to this, your file explorer. Go to your CD drive, and then you click Windows Addition, VirtualBox Windows Addition. So this is like installing drivers. What's the better way to exploit? This is like putting finishing touches to your installation. There are some things that will not work right optimally if this is not done. So the files that Windows need to install to do a clean finishing of the installation and make everything work optimally, the files are in this folder, Windows Addition. That is, after you have installed Windows, do this addition. So you double click that, and then you click next to install. That's it, done. By the time this Windows is restarting, you now be 100% okay. All right, finish. So because of that, Windows is restarting.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
I'm having a question. I actually came late, but what if I already installed a VirtualBox before, where I'm using my Kali Linux and my multiple. So what do I do? Will I just install this there in my virtual machine?
What are you currently running on your virtual machine?
I'm running Kali Linux there.
Kali's Learning, right?
Yes, sir.
What's that?
Kali Linux.
Is it IT related?
Yes, sir.
So there's something in IT I don't know. Mention that thing again.
I think it's Kali
Linux. Yeah.
Oh, Linux.
Yes.
Yeah, Linux is just the way I pronounced it.
Okay. Yeah.
It's Linux.
Yeah, what you do now is, since you already have a virtual machine, just go ahead.
Linux virtual machine.
I got it. So since you already have your Oracle VirtualBox installed,
yes.
What you do now is add a new virtual machine, and on that virtual machine, put Windows 20.
Okay.
Yes, so that your Linux is on a different machine, nothing is happening to it, it's safe. To create a second machine, and into that section, download and install Windows 2016.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so input, keyboard, control or delete, my password. All right, so let's see the magic happen now. This screen is going to occupy everywhere, and it's going to become a sharper. All right, so maximize that one. I'll maximize that one. All right, there we go. Okay, so that's it. That's what we'll stop today. So just come. Well, you might not be able to complete this in one day because, like I said, you are going to have issues. You are going to restart your server. You are going to keep doing it until you get this. Well, this is what you should get for you to say, yes, I've done. Even after you have gotten this, you may want to delete and start all over again and make sure you can do it smooth, so you can confidently say, yes, you can install the server operating system on the virtual. Don't do it the first time and claim you can do it. Do it at least 3 times, 4 times. All right, so that's that. Any question? Any more questions? So for this, the last person that asked the question, all you just do is come here and do new, and then put for this new machine now, and then tell it you are doing it for Windows 2016 64-bit. Where is it? Right there. And then you say, and then just accept 2 gig, create everything next as much as possible. And then after you have created the virtual machine, you start it, and then that operating system that you downloaded or that you couldn't download, you went to buy and install in your system, then you look for it and say, where is it? To click this yellow box, click add, and navigate. Look for it everywhere, wherever it is in your computer, until you finally find it, and then you click it, and then you say,
okay. You're not all right. I've already sent you a lot of
and then you say choose. And then by the time you say start, it will start to load your operating system. That's what it will do.
But I really love it.
Any more questions? But we don't need this one. So what am I going to do with it? I just delete it. I'll remove it. Right click and say remove. Delete all files. Okay. So I load Google. My Google is loading. So my Google is on, and then I say Google, move this away. Google.com. And then what am I looking for? I want to download Oracle VirtualBox. So you should see this. So instead of scrolling down looking for a better place to download, just click this first one because it's from Oracle Corporation.
Okay.
Did you see this? Probably overlooked it. It should come up. So that should do it for you. Go to download.
Okay.
And then click, because you are using Windows operating system and not Linux or any other OS, click the Windows host. And then once you click that, it will download automatically. It's already downloaded. And it's so small, it will download in less than 5 minutes.
Sir, please.
So did you get that here?
Can you come again?
No, sir. What's appearing on my screen is just it's not coming out the exact way it came out on your screen.
So what do you see on your screen?
VirtualBox, download VirtualBox, and there's a session for login and preferences. There's another session for screenshots, downloads, documentation.
Okay, I think I understand your challenge. Just go to download on your right-hand screen. Go to download, click on download. It will get you to this this page that he's talking about.
Okay.
So can you also quickly run through that, your Windows?
Windows Server, yes.
Oh, yeah, yes, please.
Windows Server, Google?
Yes.
Then what am I downloading? Windows Server, Windows 2016 Server, download ISO. It has to be ISO. That's the image file. All right, so once I do that and I press enter, it will give me links. So whatever link I choose, I should make sure it has Microsoft.com. So in fact, specifically speaking, I'm looking for the one that has Evaluation Center. So I click Evaluation Center, where I can download all Microsoft OS, and then I see a number of them. Okay, Windows Server 2019, Windows Server 2019 Essentials, Microsoft Hyper-V Server, Microsoft Admin Center, everything. But the one I want is Microsoft Server 20. Okay, so I make sure the one that is highlighted is ISO. Are you still with me? The person who has the question? Because we have distraction.
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay, so make sure you highlight ISO and then you say continue. Complete this kind of form. Nothing obligatory, just complete it with your name and whatever. Doesn't have to be correct information. And then you say continue thereafter. And then what language are you downloading? French or English?
All right.
And that's it. Once I did download now, it will start to download.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
All right, so thank you so much. A kind of setup called BIOS.